So always remember 5 is the cost, right? So we put A5. Okay, expand A5. So we put A5 in the closed list. So A5 will give you B4, C4, D6. So we have B4, C4, D6. So we arrange the number according from the smallest to the biggest value. 4 is the smallest, right? 4 is smaller here. So we have B4, C4, D6. So we expand always from the left hand side, B4. The moment we expand B4, what we have? So this one, 5. What 5? E5. Okay, so E5 and F5. So we have E5, F5. Right, so we arrange according to the number. So C4 comes first, right? C4, 4 is smaller compared to the 5. So for the best first and the A star, we're always looking for the small value, right? Because best first and A star is quite commonly used for the so-called the path searching, yeah, for the map one. Yeah, it depends on the function as well. But this one is we are looking for the smaller value here. Okay, so then followed by E5, F5. Right, 5 is bigger than 4, right? E5, F5, D6. Right, so explore C4. The moment I explore C4, you have G4, H4. Right, so we check G and H, is it inside the open or the closed list? No. Right, so we can add here. So we can put G4, H4, and then bring this down. E5, F5, D6. So we have G4, H4. Alright, okay, good. So continue G4. So continue G4, you have F5 actually. But F is somewhere around here already. F is somewhere around here. So we don't want to have a repeated state. So meaning that this is actually a dead end. This is that very dead end. Okay, so what is the next to explore? H4. H4. H4 explore, you will have K2. Right, K is not inside either open and closed, so right, so we can explore K2 here. So K2, 2 is the smaller, right, so we put K2 followed by E5 and F5 and D6. Followed by K2, right, K2. So K2, there's no more already, so this one is considered that end. Right, it's considered that end, and followed by E5. E5 you have E5 also no, right? So that ends. Right, F5 you get J0, right? You will get J0, D6, right? So these ones you can use that. If you use early go test, this is the goal already. If you use late go test, we explore this one, we also get the same answer. So this is the goal. So that is the search tree. Right, and this is the search part. So this one is known as search part. Meaning the agent will search A, B, C, G, H, K, E, F, J. Okay, done. So what is the return path? Return path. Oh, alright. So I think we missed out one thing here. Fine. So this one is J0. So the return path will be this one: A, B, F, J. So this one is your return path. So this whole tree here is known as search tree. So that's it. Okay, is that clear? Right, a very simple state-based, but it's actually give you three important information on how the agent perform research. And from machine perspective, you will see the tables there, open and closed. From human perspective, this is how we see, and how the agents will return the return path, indicated by the read path. That's it. Okay. Can. We correct? Huh? Okay, correct. Yeah. Any questions? Feel free to consult your tutor, or maybe if you try first. If you still cannot, you can come and check with me again. Double check with me. So that is the advantage for the batch person. So that's the only difference between hill climb and also the best fit. One is does not allow the revisit. That's why you get stuck. Then someone improve it, you're allowed to do revisit. That's it. As simple as that. Don't complicate the case. So one is the revisit, one is not allowed to revisit. So this is all about best first search. Alright, so let's move on to the